Welcome to Course 4, Foundation, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, course, by SPAO Academy. Topic 2, Global Supply Chain Networks, Section 6, Supply Chain Technology Applications, Lesson 1, Emerging Technologies in Supply Chain. Emerging Technologies in Supply Chain. Welcome, students. In our previous sections, we explored the structure of global supply chain networks and the flows that connect them. But how are these complex, modern networks actually managed? The answer lies in technology. Today's supply chains are not just about trucks and warehouses, they are about data, speed, and intelligence. In this lesson, we will pull back the curtain on the exciting world of emerging technologies. We'll explore the key innovations that are transforming how goods are sourced, made, and moved around the planet. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify these technologies and explain, in simple terms, how they are solving real-world supply chain challenges. 1. The digital transformation of supply chains. Think of a traditional supply chain as a long-distance relay race. One runner, the supplier, hands a baton, the materials, to the next runner, the manufacturer, and so on. Communication is limited to the handoff points. If a runner falls, it might take a while for the others to find out. Now, imagine a supply chain powered by emerging technologies. This is more like a connected team with smart watches. Every runner knows the pace of the others, they can see an obstacle coming on a shared map, and they can communicate instantly to adjust their speed. This is the power of digital transformation. It's about creating a supply chain that is not just a series of steps, but an interconnected, intelligent, and responsive system. Let's dive into the key technologies driving this change. 2. Key emerging technologies explained. We will focus on 6 major technologies that are reshaping the field. Technology, Internet of Things, IoT. What is it? Simple definition: a network of physical devices, like sensors and tags, embedded with technology to connect and exchange data over the internet. Real-world supply chain application. Real-time tracking. IoT sensors on a shipping container can report its exact GPS location, temperature, critical for food or medicine, and if it has been opened unexpectedly. This provides end-to-end visibility. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. AI is the ability of a machine to perform intelligent tasks. ML is a subset of AI where computers learn from data to improve at a task without being explicitly programmed. Demand forecasting. AI can analyze years of sales data, plus external factors like weather, holidays, and social media trends, to predict future customer demand with incredible accuracy. This helps companies avoid running out of stock or making too much. Robotics and automation. Using robots and software to automate physical tasks and repetitive manual processes. Warehouse efficiency. In massive fulfillment centers, robots bring entire shelves of products to a human picker, drastically reducing walking time. Autonomous forklifts move pallets safely and efficiently without a driver. Blockchain, a shared, immutable digital ledger that records transactions and tracks assets in a network. Think of it as a tamper-proof record book that everyone on the network can see. Provenance and trust. A company can use blockchain to create a permanent record of a product's journey, from the farm to the store shelf. A customer could scan a QR code on a bag of coffee and see exactly where the beans were grown and when they were shipped, verifying it's ethically sourced. Cloud computing. The on-demand delivery of IT resources, like servers, storage, and software, over the internet. Instead of owning their own data centers, companies can rent computing power. Collaboration and scalability. A small company can use cloud-based supply chain software to manage its suppliers and customers. Everyone involved can access the same real-time information from anywhere, without needing expensive hardware. It also allows systems to easily scale up during peak seasons like holidays. Digital twins, a virtual replica of a physical object, process, or system. It serves as a digital counterpart for simulation and analysis. Scenario planning. A company can create a digital twin of its entire supply chain network. They can then run simulations, like, what if a major port closes, or what if demand for this product suddenly doubles? The digital twin shows the potential impact, allowing managers to create backup plans without disrupting the real world. 3. Why do these technologies matter? For a beginner student, it's important to understand the why. These technologies are not just futuristic gadgets, they are tools that solve fundamental business problems. Here's the impact they create. Increased visibility. IoT and cloud allow companies to see where their products are at all times, reducing anxiety and improving customer service. Greater efficiency. Robotics and AI automate slow, manual tasks and optimize processes, saving time and money. Improved accuracy. AI improves forecasting, and blockchain creates a single, trustworthy source of truth, reducing costly errors and disputes. Enhanced agility. Digital twins and real-time data allow companies to foresee disruptions and react quickly, rather than simply reacting to crises. Stronger sustainability. By optimizing routes, AI, reducing waste, better forecasting, and proving ethical sourcing, blockchain technology helps build more environmentally and socially responsible supply chains. Lesson summary. In this lesson, we've taken our first steps into understanding the powerful technologies driving modern supply chains. We learned that we are moving from linear, disconnected processes to intelligent, interconnected networks. We defined 6 key technologies: IoT, AI, robotics, blockchain, cloud computing, and digital twins, and saw how each one plays a unique role in making supply chains faster, smarter, and more resilient. These technologies are the building blocks for the next generation of global trade. In our next lesson, we'll explore how companies put these individual technologies together to create a cohesive and powerful technology ecosystem within their supply chain. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your like means the world to us and helps this channel grow so we can continue bringing you great content. Thanks again, and see you on the next video.